So guys, today we have come to Mollem where there is a stay order on this particular site. That is the site that we are fighting for, where thousands of trees have been cut. And we brought the kids, we've come with friends, Talula, fairly elder children, and we were lucky enough to get some local help around to guide us, to show us the place. So just want to show you how destructive we human beings can be in terms of getting kind of development done. So this is where we are with the kids, showing them the destruction that has been done right now. This work has all started last December, as per what the locals had to say. There was no intimation given to them, and they just did all this destruction within 1 month. All the wild animals like wild boar, even the tigers who normally would be here grazing around in their forest, in this wildlife, have been coming down to Sangod village, and their dogs and animals have been attacked. So you can see the more destruction we do in the Western Ghats, where the animals live, they will come down to the human life, which is much lower. And right now at present, that's what's happening. They are being attacked. So before we lose more lives, I think so we have to be careful about what is happening over here and see ourselves here right behind the destruction that is happening. See where I'm standing and see the amount of logs that are here. It's a very, very sad situation that, I don't know, it breaks my heart to see where we are standing right now. And is this the future? Today it's so freaking hot over here. It's so hot over here because all the shade has been taken out.
I feel very sad of these trees because each tree matters. One tree gives us a lot of oxygen, lot of fruits, and medicine,
and homes for the
animals. And we are feeling really hot right now.
Yeah.
And because
if there were trees, would be like
wow. If there were trees, there would be shade, cool air, and I'm very sad for this.
If you like this place, you love trees like we do, come out here and protest with us so that we can save Mollem.
Yeah.
They should help us plant trees, not destroy them. Even a plant matters. Even a plant. Remember, a tree always starts from a plant. Without the plant, there can never be a tree.
I want to tell the government that this is very wrong what they are doing, and they should not cut these trees, and they should grow back the trees.
Yeah.
But I know it will take a lot of time to grow.
It's right now what I can smell is a dry blood here, because right now in front of my face I can see thousands of trees being cut in the name of development. I don't know how far you can see from here, but all around me I can smell dry blood. I don't know how you feel like smelling a dry blood, but this was whatever around us is our life. It's our lungs. He आमची lungs आयच्या काबार केल्या.
And it is terrible to see so many trees cut. They were shocked, even we were shocked. And every tree has a purpose, So the tree is a connector to all other species, right from the tiger to the leopard to deer and microorganisms, okay? And this has led to fragmentation of the forest. You can see all around how the forest has been cut into pieces in a way. And this is really wrong.
Actually, so I've always been seeing videos and pictures and people just showing the destruction over here. So I thought I'd come down over here with my friends and have a look at it myself. And frankly speaking, I am absolutely shocked and saddened at the same time. As you can see, the destruction all around me, it is appalling. This is, the Mother Nature is crying. We need to wake up now, not tomorrow, now. It's getting late. And this is only the start of it. It's going to get worse. Believe me, this government will do everything in its power in the name of greed. And this is not development at all. So wake up, come and see this for yourself. It's burning hot like a furnace. And if you don't have these trees, this is going to be the state of whole of Goa.